Hi, everyone, and welcome to General Psychology. My name is Dr. Cynthia Vance. I want to tell you a little bit about this course that you're taking this summer. The course is entirely online, but you can still contact me. I have sent you all a copy of the syllabus, and the syllabus is also available on the course page with contact information. It's got my office phone number, my cell phone number, and my email address. And you can contact me in any of those ways that you like. The course is going to be set up with a variety of things that you will have to do. One of the most important, I think, are the discussions. Every week, there are two discussions that you will need to post your responses to. After reading the textbook and other activities that may be required for each week, you will post your answers to the discussions. Now, the discussions are worth 25% of your grade altogether. The other things you'll have to do are we have what are called launchpad activities. A launchpad is the what comes with the textbook. The publisher provides the textbook access, electronic, and a bunch of activities and quizzes that some of which will be required for you to do. They will be part of your grade. There will also be two exams, each worth 20% of your grade. And there's also a paper that is worth 20% of your grade as well. The exams are all multiple choice questions and will be timed. There'll be about an hour for each exam, depending upon the number of questions. Now, the course is taking place in Canvas, and some of you may not have used Canvas before. You may have only used Moodle, or maybe haven't used any online learning system. Canvas is pretty easy to use. It's my first time using it, so I've tried to make it very straightforward how to do everything in the class. When you first open up the class page, as you've already done because you're seeing this video, there's going to be that week's work will show, and you can read the discussion postings that you have to do. And when you're ready to answer, there's a link to click on that will take you right to the discussion section. You can also go on the left-hand side of the page where it lists the course navigation, and you can go to where it says discussions or where it says assignments. Either one of those will also lead you to the discussion section as well. I also have links to Launchpad activities on each page. I will have a link to that, and if there's a movie you have to watch, you will have the link to that as well on that page each week. So my hope is that it's very easy for you to navigate through the course and find whatever it is you need to find. One thing that's important about an online class is that you have a good internet access and a computer that is reliable, especially when you're taking an exam. You really don't want to have your computer break down when you're taking an exam. But if that does happen, please do let me know right away. Don't wait until the exam period is over with before you contact me. One other thing about if you're traveling this summer, the discussion postings cannot be done early and they cannot be done late. Our class week will run from Sunday to Saturday. Everything is due by midnight on Saturday, or actually 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. That means your discussion postings have to be done by that time each week. You cannot do them early. So if you're traveling, one thing I would suggest is before you go somewhere, see if you can find out where there's internet access. A Starbucks, a McDonald's, they tend to have free Wi-Fi. A library has computers and Wi-Fi access as well. So if you're going somewhere, then you can do the work ahead of time. You just can't post it until that week. So you could do the work ahead of time, have it all ready, and then just take a quick trip out during your vacation and post it if you absolutely need to. That's not a problem at all. Let me talk a little bit about the paper that's due. It's called Psychology and Film, and what you're going to have to do is watch a movie. And it can be any movie you want. You could pick a Disney movie, you could pick a drama, a comedy, it doesn't matter at all. Any movie that's on Netflix or on DVD, not one that's still in the theaters, but one that is available to you for you to watch over and over again if you need to. And what you're going to do on this paper is you're going to describe the movie, the plot of the movie, and you're going to talk about the psychological concepts that you see within that movie. And you're going to need to discuss aspects from the movie that where there are 5 different modules that you can find material from. And so you will discuss the plot of the movie, and then as you go along, you will talk about the psychological concepts. The idea of this assignment is for you to understand and for you to see that psychology is everywhere. It's in movies, it's in TV, it's everywhere. And I want you to see that you really do see that. Now, these 5 modules, I want to make sure that you don't pick them all from the same area. So you need to have at least 3 different areas covered as well. The areas would be things like learning, memory, disorders, therapy, social psychology. Those are all different areas within the book, which you will be able to see. If you have any questions about anything during the class, please feel free to shoot me an email. I will try to make a video every once in a while answering some questions that people might have, because if you have a question about something, probably somebody else does as well. So please do feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to answer them. So I will see you online, as they say, and good luck, and I hope you enjoy the class.